Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Today is September 10th. I am in my Pennsylvania kennel. And some of these doggies are going home today. Yay! Yay! My doggies. They just got their bath. They're ready to go. So everything's looking good here. If you want a black lab, let me know. I'm in Pennsylvania today. So easy peasy. Get involved, buy a puppy. So let me go in the corner here so you keep following me. I know, babies. So we got some puppies in the Pennsylvania kennel that's ready to go. Everything's looking good. It's cold in Pennsylvania, holy cow. Virginia, I left 80 degrees in Virginia. It's like 50 degrees here. Hey, baby. So I got some females, I got some males. Get involved, buy a puppy. Look at the paint's coming up off the floor. I gotta repaint these floors. That's all right. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. You can contact me at bowersaKCLabs.com, bowersaKCLabs@yahoo.com, bowersaKCLabs@gmail.com. I'm doing TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Someone called me yesterday and I accidentally erased they wanted a puppy, but I accidentally erased their message. I didn't mean to. So if you want a puppy, just call me back. It's not a problem. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, signing off.